Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. Today, we are starting episode 8, and this topic is very important in real life. We are talking about hospital English.
Yes, talking about health in English can be scary. You may know the words, but your mouth stops working.
Don't worry. Today, we will learn simple, calm, and useful English for doctor visits. We'll use easy sentences, clear examples, funny stories, and speaking practice.
And before we begin, quick reminder, like, share, subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Section 1, Basic Doctor and Health Vocabulary. Let's start with very basic health words. Please repeat after me. Doctor, clinic, hospital, appointment, pain, medicine, fever, cold, cough.
These words are your health English basics.
Section 2, Funny Story 1. Alex said, "I am pain." Alex went to the doctor and wanted to say he had pain.
I said, "Doctor, I am pain."
The doctor looked shocked.
He replied, "Nice to meet you, Pain."
What we learn. Correct sentences are, I have pain. I am in pain. Not, I am pain. Practice.
Repeat, I have pain. I am in pain. Good.
Section 3. Saying what problem you have. At the doctor, you must explain your problem. Very easy sentences. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a cold. I have a cough.
You don't need long stories. Short sentences are enough. Practice.
Repeat. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a cough. Excellent. Section 4. Funny Story 2. Luna said, I have all problems. The doctor asked me, what's the problem? I answered, I have all problems.
Life problems plus health problems.
What we learn. Be specific. I have stomach pain. I have back pain.
Section 5. Talking about pain, where and how.
Doctors often ask, where does it hurt? You can say, my head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. My leg hurts.
Hurt is very common in English. Practice.
Repeat. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. My back hurts. Great. Section 6. Funny Story 3. Alex pointed everywhere. The doctor asked Alex, where does it hurt?
I pointed to my head, then my stomach, then my back, then my leg.
The doctor said, Sir, you need rest.
Section 7. Speaking practice for you.
Pause and answer out loud. Number 1. What problem do you have? Number 2. Where does it hurt?
Say it slowly. You're doing great.
End of part 1. Amazing work. You already know how to explain your health problem.
More is coming. Doctor's questions, medicine English, and funny clinic stories.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.